All right, let's see what a ham could get at a truck stop here in Saskatchewan. We'll see what we could get for antenna building stuff and what they actually have here. Excuse me.
No, I'm sorry.
Almost had a crash. All right. Ooh, look at that. All these CBs. But we're not after a CB. We need... There we go. There we go. There we go. All these ham sticks. Hey, check out these mounts. We don't have a price on this guy. Probably same $13.99 for a trucker mount. Whatever this is. I wonder if that would work for something. 12-inch CB with a mag mount. You got a spring there. Look at that. That's one super heavy duty mount. Little place for your microphone.
Shower guest 27.
This one right
Your
here.
shower is now ready. Please proceed to shower 4. Shower guest 26. Your shower is now ready.
Need some
Please
coax.
proceed to shower 3.
$13.99 just to give us some coax. Yeah, that's not bad. All right. That's where you find it if we need it, you guys. Truck stops have it all. That's awesome. Maybe we'll make an antenna and activate something. All right, see you guys later.